Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here, and I don't have the customer's file right here, so I'll just say this is a radio. Looks like a Ford. Early Ford radio comes from Mark. I know that much. No, it doesn't come from Mark. It comes from Joe. It comes from Joe P. So let's go ahead and turn it on. This is just a basic FM conversion, no Bluetooth or USB, nothing like that. So let's turn it on. Got it set to AM, and in the half a minute, the sun has gone down and the AM station's gone. So you'll just have to take my word for it. Let's go to FM. Okay, I have all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area for a quick test.
And a whole new tailgate. I get.
Alrighty. Now let's see if we can get on some kind of talk radio here.
Well, that quieted down.
There we go.
It morphed into something else.
Okay, we're going to
What was
demonstrate
the name of that?
Friends of Abe.
virtual balance and
Friends of
fader.
Abe. Okay, it used to be that was an organization
Front
where
rear fader.
actors and people,
Fader adjust.
conservative,
Okay, all the way front.
traditional piece,
All
met
rear.
once in a while kick
Front.
things around. But
Rear.
right now there's a blacklist.
Okay,
in
center.
Hollywood. I'm on it. I mean, I had
Fader
Fader
set.
set.
to produce
Okay, left, right balance.
films. We had
Balance adjust.
this Killing
Okay,
Bob.
all the way left.
You couldn't get a better cinematic
All the way right.
property than we
Left.
can't do business in Hollywood.
Right.
So you
Center.
have always been conservative, but you've worked. I mean, you're a good actor.
Balance
Balance set.
Getting behind this
And that's
movie,
it.
Are you afraid?
You see the lights lighting up in response to my command. So
Absolutely. And
there's not
then-
much to test on just a FM conversion anymore. So here we go. That was an easy one. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. And the way to reach me if you want to do business is to visit my website first. Do not call me without first visiting my website. My website has a work order that you can download and print, and it has all my options and prices, and it's something that you're going to have to do anyway. So go ahead and do that first, and then if you have questions after you've read through my website and the work order, then feel free to give me a call, and I'll be happy to talk to you. If you call me, and the first thing I'm going to ask you is, have you been to my website? And if you say no, I'm going to say you got some homework to do. Call me back later. That's how it's going to be. Thanks for watching and listening, guys, and thank you, Joe P., for your business from wherever it was. And we'll see you guys next time.